Looking for a top-tier TIG wire for nickel alloy jobs? ERNiCrMo-3 is your go-to premium nickel chromium molybdenum alloy wire. Fully AWS A5.14 compliant. Designed for TIG welding, Inconel, 625/825, and similar alloys. It feeds smoothly, arcs steady, and delivers clean, precise welds. Resists pitting, crevice corrosion, and handles. 1093 degrees Celsius tumps like a champ, tough enough for harsh environments. Works flawlessly in all positions, produces ductile, crack-free joints with minimal spatter. Perfect for chemical processing, offshore oil and gas, aerospace projects. Super reliable, easy to handle, consistent quality, every time. Welding. Choose Dayang.